National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued, for the following counties, a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Scioto, southern Pike, eastern Adams, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Wamsley, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Locations impacted include Lucasville. In addition, Rardon, Otway, Lombardsville, Mountjoy, Ladd, McDermott, Bear Creek, and Wakefield are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.